How to enter referral codes on Temu app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application from your device and get logged into your Temu account. Then tap on Use section. Here you will see Coupons and Offers option. Tap Open it, and under Enter Coupon, enter your coupon, then tap on Apply. So this is one way of entering your coupon. Another way you can do that by choosing any product that you would like to purchase. Tap on Add to Cart. Select the size, the quantity, then tap on Add to Cart again. Then tap on Checkout Now. Once you're done selecting your payment methods, you will see Apply Coupon Code. Tap Open it and type in your coupon code. Once done, tap on to Apply. And if your coupon code is valid, you will successfully be able to redeem it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.